So we're here at ExB Communications.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Well, we built PTPT. This is a unique touchscreen interface that manages all the information that's around you.
So it's for tablets. You have it for the Samsung, for Handphone. This is a Tegra 2 base, and you also have the Dell, and it works on all of them. It's for Android, right?
This is the Android version. This is the Windows version. This is natively running on Windows 7. So what it does is, we have 4 fundamental dimensions: it's people, things, places, and time. So therefore the name PTPT.
Ah, you call it PTPT.
Yeah, small in French.
Yeah.
So what we have people that are around us. So all the people from different sources, like from Facebook, from our emails, wherever we got them, they're here.
Is that an Android home replacement? Is that what you call it?
Actually it is.
Yeah. So if you enable this, it replaces your default home?
Yes.
Is it easy to do? You just go on the internet, you download it from the marketplace, or?
Yeah, it will be available in the marketplace next month.
Next month?
Yeah.
So what is the latest news with the PTPT?
Well, the latest news are, we managed to have it running on this device, and you can, for example, use it as an email client. So, I take some of my favorite contacts, like for example him, drag him out, and I see all the communications that took place between us two. So, now I have an email client. We have a timeline here that presents us with all the stuff that happens connected with some place in the time.
Cool. So this is a special email client. And
it's also an email client.
Also, what else can you do? You say you take all the information, right?
Yes. For example, if I want to know, I have some pictures on my device, and now I want to know, whoa, I was in Barcelona some time ago. Okay, I just take Barcelona, drag it up here, and I see all things connected with Barcelona.
Where do you drag?
For example, changing the screen. So, now I have, okay, here's no places in here, but I would, for example, would have my pictures here. And just drag them, now I have all my pictures.
Are you using hardware acceleration for the UI, or is it 3D?
Right now, because we are working on another platform.
Yeah.
And this platform hardware acceleration is, unfortunately, it's not available in this state. We're working on it.
For the Hummingbird processor.
Yeah.
Do you have acceleration on the Qualcomm there, or some other? Or how soon will you have them?
Well, we have hardware acceleration on the Windows.
Okay. So,
for example, on Windows you can use DRI, and it's like a little bit faster.
Yeah.
Or you can.
So when you release it next month, you will have acceleration already, or?
Well, we'll see.
Yeah.
Depends on the device.
So how big is the home replacement? How many megabytes does it take?
Well,
the software.
The software itself, 2 megabytes.
2 megabytes?
Yes, but it's building a database. The database holds all your information, so if you have 4,000 emails, you can think of how much it will take.
Does it store on the device everything, or from the web?
Yes, because we think that you need to have your data on you. Well, what's about, for example, here in Barcelona, I don't have a Spanish data plan, so what am I going to do?
Do you do something with Facebook, Twitter, or something like that?
Well, no, I don't know if they have my...
What other kind of features do you have?
We can import like Facebook, Google, emails.
So what is this project, PTPT? When did you start it?
We started it 1.5 years ago.
But you haven't released yet, right?
No, we are a linguistics company, so...
You're what, sorry?
We are a linguistics company, so we're interested in language and how we can process language. So for example, I have these 2 people, touch them both, and now the software computes information that connects these 2 people. So we just have it created now. Now we see, we found out that, for example, Matthias exchanged several emails with him recently, so he's in the center. And there are companies, some other stuff. So we will try to navigate. So for example now I can push him. Now it created Matthias and connected. So you see emails, you see people, information that connects us.
So where are you based, your company?
In Munich.
Munich. So next month, big release.
Yeah.
It's going to be free app or pay app?
We are a beta in the Android market.
Yeah.
And we hope for feedback.
How much are you going to sell the app? Are you going to use ads or what do you do?
We are also in talks with major US manufacturers.
To have it preloaded, maybe. It could be the default OS, the default home screen.
Yeah, because we think it's all these applications. I don't think that user really wants all these applications, want all the data inside. It's at one hub.
Cool. All right, thanks a lot. Yeah. Are you going to hardware accelerate with dual-core processors and
stuff?
Yes. You plan that?
Yeah, software should run on dual cores because we want a linguistics engine to run all the time.
How much resources does it take in the company to have it work on all the hardware acceleration? Is it big work?
We're a small team of 20 people.
20 people?
Yeah.
So you can do it?
Yeah.
It'll happen?
Yeah, definitely.
Cool, thanks.